Hi, I'm Cassie from Qingdao TNT Homeware Company Limited. This small basket, you can post bottle essentials and post in the bathroom to organize your bottle essentials, and you can post any bits and bobs. You can find we design the wood handle, and the bottom is new pattern. It's cotton rope and the metal frame. We paint the natural metal frame to match this color. And this basket, we paint white to match white cotton rope. Let's check the size. The same size. 31, 13, height 11, including handle 12. It can load more in the container. It will save the space during transportation. Because freight cost has been increasing, we suggest you buy the small basket because it can put more in the container.